Afterpay allows you to shop in-store at participating retailers, for example, Ulta, Forever 21, by paying in 4 interest-free installments over 6 weeks, subject to credit approval. It's ideal for splitting costs without upfront payment, using a virtual card via the Afterpay app. Download the Afterpay app. Install from Google Play or App Store. Sign up with email, phone, and a linked debit or credit card. Complete KYC with basic info, no SSN needed. Find participating stores. Open the app, tap In Store tab, and search for retailers by name or location, like Target near me. Use the map to confirm, generate a barcode, select the store, enter your estimated spend, and tap Pay in Store. The app creates a single-use barcode or QR code tied to a virtual Visa card. Shop and pay. At checkout, show the barcode to the cashier or scan it at the POS terminal. Afterpay pays the retailer instantly. You pay the first installment immediately. Manage payments. Remaining 3 payments auto-debit every 2 weeks. Track via app notifications or dashboard. Tips. Check limits in-app before shopping. Late fees, $8 max, apply. Ensure phone is charged for barcode access. For returns, process in-store. Afterpay adjusts your plan. Contact support via app chat for issues.